In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an animated line using Figma. Whether you're looking to enhance your design toolkit or just trying to add some dynamic elements to your project, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, you want to navigate to the Figma website. It's the go-to collaborative interface design tool used by designers around the world. Simply head over to figma.com using your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll have the option to create a new account. Logging in will take you to your homepage where all of your projects are stored. From the homepage, click on the design section. This is where the magic happens. In the design section, you can create new files or open existing ones. For our purposes today, make sure you've got a file open that you want to work with, or start a fresh design if you're beginning from scratch. Once you've got your design file ready, look towards the main menu and click on an option labeled Action. This step is crucial as it helps to integrate animations into your design. Actions in Figma typically involve tools and plugins that enhance your design experience. Next, it's time to search for Figmotion, an animation tool available within Figma. To do this, navigate to the Plugins menu and type Figmotion into the search bar. This powerful plugin is specifically designed to bring animation capabilities directly into Figma, making it a fantastic choice for our project. Once Figmotion comes up in your search results, click on it to select it. This will queue up the Figmotion plugin, which you can then activate. By clicking on the plugin within Figma, you're able to run it and access its full suite of animation tools. Now that Figmotion is running, you can start to design your animated line. The first step is to select the line element in your design. Once it's selected, use Figmotion's intuitive interface to add keyframes and animations to bring your design to life. Experiment with different animations to see what fits best with your creative vision. Figmotion will display a timeline for your animation, allowing you to adjust timings and transitions with precision. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to utilize Figma and Figmotion to design an animated line. This technique is sure to add an engaging, dynamic element to your design projects. Feel free to play around with other elements and animations within Figmotion to further enhance your work. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to design an animated line in Figma. Remember to like and subscribe for more design tutorials. See you next time.